The Whynter Smart Wi-Fi Inverter NEX portable air conditioners utilize the most innovative technology that allows the compressor to optimize efficiency to increase cooling capacity by at least 20%, while also saving up to 40% more energy. This versatile unit has different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat, as well as a convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize your specific cooling schedule. A fully automatic 80-degree flexible airflow louver optimizes the air distribution in the room. The patented self-evaporating function of this portable air conditioner fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. The Whynter NEX portable air conditioners can be drained from the upper or lower drain port. To use the upper drain, install the continuous gravity hose onto the hose port. The Whynter portable air conditioners include a complete window slider and hose installation kit. When using the portable air conditioner unit, hot air must be exhausted out of the room to complete the air exchange of the condenser. The innovative hose-in-hose design minimizes heat leakage and maximizes cooling. The extended window kit has been designed to fit most standard vertical and horizontal windows. To install, open the window approximately 15 inches. Adjust the length of the window bars to the same length and width of the opening of the window. Close the window on the window slide bars. Move the unit to the window, extend the hoses, and attach the connector modules to the window slide bar. For vertical windows, assemble and use the vertical connector modules. Align the slots on the hose connector to the tabs on the fixture and snap the hose to the window slide bar. Control the Whynter portable air conditioner and customize your settings and cooling schedule anywhere with the NetHome Plus app for Android and iOS smartphones. This smart unit also works with Google Assistant and Alexa. Hey Google, turn on my Whynter portable air conditioner.
Got it. Changing the Whynter portable AC to cool.
Smart, efficient, and easy to set up, the Whynter NEX Inverter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioners offer cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning.